Physically healthy when we need another areas like mental health also to be healthy, and social health is also to be healthy. So WHO definition tells like this: we should be healthy physically, mentally, and socially. Only that we will have a peaceful and a well-being life. Nakwai or sirs and madam, my dear students, nakwai mobile phone, magi manungi structure payam do yang haraga, mapandi cover do, adugi malagasu, that mobile will work very nicely. Nakwai vehicle do, andu ay nalagasu, that body do. Sweets amat hadragadi move to way. Aduna our body say masi move to na ba, masi motivate to na ba, masi walk to na bagi. Sweets are say kanada no. That is our mental health. Mental health is the physical sweets hadragadi that our body will not do anything. Nakway mentally retarded by bang sing so idan ulam magani. Mentally retarded by bang sing body they look like really healthy. Dia berarti makai healthy dia yang male. But mental health today so much so affected. Atau makai masalah sweet harung ngamde. Makai parents sih dia atau pas sila throughout the life depend on the that because of what that mental health is affected grossly. That's why our mental health to make it very very healthy. Aduna mental health si mayam na ko na topic se ngan pa matanda angaw bagi chapter angaw bagi angaw bagi doctor higher this whole concept se it is still remaining in the minds of thousands of people including our lepak sebakanggu rasniti wala sing aja wasang stakeholder ko na mind that end na lane marabasina ay kwegi Manipurda mental hospital amat lagi. Engkau sana na berdiam kan nak dari. Masih sana ko matam dasu. Supreme Court ni order ni matu ina amadi mental health area se. It should be merged in the general hospitals, in the merged order like you, so that stigma and discrimination will increase highly. Aduh. Nasai dia cuma sang lewat semua yang bukti mindset tak. Saya fikir anak aku, anak awak apa iba, tender iba, nak bisa tak bawa bagi. Bisa dong ngasih tahu mampu. Aduh nama kau ini tinggal tak ada sana tak bawa ni. Kau, barangkali saya fikir nak missing sisu, mari physical illness, kau nama lagi. So many physical illnesses will be associated. As comorbid conditions, heart narapiyai, liver narapiyai, so many things. अभी बतम दली psychiatrist न तबा medicine की doctor, surgery की doctor, ENT की doctor, gynae की doctor माया से लाख करोड़ी अभी भी लाख न लगे हम हम मदाते कोई भाग लेते हैं specialist cover के सेट करोड़ी का अभी भी कुछ फुट तक बगी दमता general hospital nurse तो है से Supreme Court की order तो सुले को वापस ममने अभी वो कोई लेबाक से बस इतना idea से वो न थंग दबली ना सुमाई तो न separate तो न बा more separate story making more and more stigma and discrimination sa ating mga mga tapi na iko'y protest to mga mga ato na niya iko'y na iko'y program iko'y particular research iko'y basic administration nga niya tayo basin siya yara ka tiyaw kong diyo marami iko'y resource person yung wali ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯍꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯊꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯣꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯍꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ mental health ꯃꯁꯥ ꯐꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ mental health ꯃꯁꯥ ꯐꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯗꯨ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯅꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯀꯣ mental health mental problems and the mental illness they are the continuous ko term be related term nothing but they are different ko because stress and strain life is stress and strain I have to say every day I can make it Adu stress and strain is mental problem issue maja amaneba maybe for that day or maybe for 2 days or 3 days that stress of I can cope up the work hasn't ngam ba say kanana no because of our resilient mental health and mental health is not already I want to tung ko na hanti I need yang high line and pop to ngam adu yang na tung ko na I want to disap to na lagadi so my mental health problem do it's continuing it's chronically when it is chronically then it becomes a disease by the time diagnosable disease amala ko matandadi that disease will have some criteria la kani ko aduna akoina mental health mental problem and the mental illnesses are different and related terms but not the same happening aduna so akoina mental health se ga akoina ngasi to ni se kari kari mental health ki manung se laga lai ha se kidan ke akoina highlight to se ba ma natraga di masi khang laga di mayam se lain ma bidang ta kam to la aduna akoina yang common oina laiba mental ki disease kara ko then yang severe oina mental disease kara lai most of the common disease in city they are not the crazy people think that all mental illnesses or persons suffering from mental illness are all crazy so mine khalleba but this is not right this is 100% wrong so we have common mental disorder because severe mental disorder high sitting it is a thought disorder the thought disorder aduna I go to a common mental illness healthy mental illness high like say kani component ko no higher our thinking our thought and our thinking then another is our emotion that is the feeling and our behavior aina phasana khallaba ko aina phasana creative and constructive oina khallaba then I feelings in emotions in yang impulsive oina yang khudak decision law control amada yang control tawada decision amalaw then adudagi aina tawba action and behavior do it should be useful for self and for others so thinking emotion and the behavior our haragadi that individual is having a good mental health healthy mental health I should haraba mayam so I haraba chumna khalaba hazana waret lawraba azaba behavior tawragadi sangsar se suki mai family do suki mai ko adura the whole world say it should be peaceful and well-being way aduna every individual every family every community every nation and the world as a whole needs mental health to be healthy so adugi manungda akoina yango mental health matters throughout the stages of life so mental health and well-being is everyone's top priority when we are talking about the physical health we are talking about the presence of disease but when we are talking about the mental health we are talking about the well-being without the mental health no individual can get well-being in the life so very from the early stages of life we have so many problems like autism like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder like eating disorder autism da angang se communication phasana tawba ngamde normal only mama papa is a big concern maram ni makoi da makit child is very precious adu angang amana defective la ko da makoi am worry ko yam nungai ti yam concern ni attention deficit hyperactivity disorder angang se hyperactivity all the time but going like this like just like a motor nata pamu ya de nata lai pamu ya de ko chen cheli school da sunai papa mama sai wajana lang na ngamde mama baba na lang ma lang na bada dina thina sei le kai di angang sini sana ba yaw da akut masa le pan bani masa sei angang ko ngaw ko nati ko aduna ai pa na facilitate to ye that eating disorder, particularly adolescents, when body image in the Manta Isiam, when Malaysian, and Tamale, you can send young way. The eating habit really changed. Yam Sasani put it like hot or totally like Isiam or this or money. This is happening in the world. Oh, these are all suitable cases. Then coming to the again adolescents, drug, alcohol problems, it is rampant in Manipur also. Sahi Tara Hundoyagina, Sahi Kunmanga period is the prime is never. They don't ever give. Adolescent, schooling, career, go. Mama Mapana, Yamna Honazaba, voting the Yamna Sexina, education, for academic career, the Yam Pavami Amoga, Tungi, Laika Apamo, whenever Silaka, but don't see the name of you. Go, Ganja, Churu, WY, so many things. Go, see my answer, Moicha meaning the duck, or Pataki. Manipur Sidasu, no number, Asikuma, drug problems there. You make Pudingi, Habarda, radio, that television, like Payam Tenere, and when Naha Ayamba, drug problem is like Aduna, family Amada, Sadra Mana, Misada, Laisura Gomatanda. Mahamasagi career kumbang the family is peaceful over structure mami. Then school da magi academic careers da young parang sadra downgrade of sale or examination drop away. Mama mapana haipa ozana haipa adu ma again tawang the sometimes depressed, guilty feelings laga committed suicide. Suicide is again very important for the mental health. Marandi. Every 40 seconds, one individual dies by committing suicide. See, every 40 seconds, one individual dies. At the same time, around 30 people try to end life by suicide. Amasivamatanda, same time, 29 individuals suicide to the Hingaway. Attempted. But the attempt is again very high risk to commit another attempt. Aduna, suicide is an emergency for the psychiatric department. Just like your blood pressure stroke, heart attack, road traffic accident. But nobody cares about this suicide. So every 10th September, every year, we observe World Suicide Prevention Day every 10 September because suicide is 100% preventable if we know the signs and the warning signs and the symptoms of suicide. For the suicide, the individual or the individual may have so many causes. One individual, another individual, the causes may be different. But the final pathway, why he is committing suicide? The final pathway is the depression. The disease of psychiatric illness, depression. Depression ay simang na laheba. Depression la ako matandadi, mase, tayong pa sige, hindi pa matalay nagti. All future sige, kasi na ubang magti. Toto only by ending my life will be okay for me and for the other individual, including his family members. Sumaya kala alternative kanta helta badagi depression na suicide away. Aduna suicide number 1 cause 80% of the suicide is because of the depression, untreated depression. Untreated depression. Aduna depression nganga kanduga kasana treatment awagadi suicide ki kan mangame because depression is treatable. Ko aduna suicide sa kaya maruway drug mayam se ekoi heroin gi treatment se hasana leire. Ko heroin ki treatment opium ki group te yam lai ko opium gen of family da hisani maram da yam da problematic koi ba condition lai ragadi please come forward to the district hospital adu ekoi guide tausege treatment se free of cost si love you ko mai taw da bisosan da phange jenim sal lai adagi rimsal lai aduga makes ki makala Manipur as Control Society na sa laiba rehab center singa free the supply to worker lai to simasul mandiyo aduda that abuse every 26 June of every year we have another observation, that is the International Day Against Drug Abuse and the Illicit Trafficking. Ko addiction psychiatry yang important area mani. Then mathanda apai asai anxiety and depression. Anxiety I think every individual might be having anxiety, stress. Stress is very common these days. Every time, every minute, every second we have the stress. And this world is now anxious state. Anxious world happening. Aduna stress like chronically we have psychological problems, we have the physical problems. One is the anxiety. Zarang naragalay kung device, kung device the rest of the day depression, I will in Mamma Pandre, motivation to let the bus beside of the top. Bipolar with disorder, these problems in the air, later the Apoy lying the yard. Then avoid this psychosis. Psychosis, I say, number one, may say the Pandriauba, Angauba, mad, crazy, Haiba, Anamado, we call it psychosis. The very, very important one is schizophrenia. See, it's a thought disorder. Thought disorder is a common thought disorder. Nobel person seeing the light of a symptom, science, one is, hallucination. Hallucination. Hallucination, auditory hallucination, visual hallucination. That is, I think, like the Bakut Mayama, Layena, when the field of the then delusion will be a false belief. So like the Bamayama, a ceremony and a way to believe the way. Do the abnormal behavior, self-smiling, self-crying, then self-muttering, self-talking, super way to then abnormal and bizarre behavior. No, you have to talk about take young dog with woman, Amakani, body. Behavior credit when the process of the lay. Abuki Mayando, Magi Totuna, thinking to me, emotion to me, behavior in Ondo, Lloyd of a global bed, the distractor of the lady, Marse, Sansasi, moment waiting. That individual to the as I said, was some way I'm tired of the irregular Kibato. Why sometimes they look like very dangerous. Abuku, all other things are not this type of illness. Otherwise, be very, very minimal level, the lower menace of we are thought disorder now, the nothing. They have some problem, but not the thought disorder. Otherwise, easily take out the word Aduga, is the schizophrenia. So, 99 remaining are the common mental disorder, which can be treated easily. Aduga, now, thought disorder, so nothing. Then, obsessive compulsive disorder, having me, I'm going to say, I put your master in there, lower than the Louis. I don't know him about Tom Punase, Local check, Lola Mene, Lord the money, Musa check over. See, living over there, sit over there, she agree money, I'm sorry, time consuming. I think the Marty whole day say, Marty CDL, this is the consumed over the later now. Marty to remain like Mayam says, Hatraki like Panama, the Happy Mayam says, oh, I never say, December, obsessive compulsive disorder. I say, see, another is too late. I say, to Magani Matatalala Gadi, we are all senior citizens. By the time many important illness developed away, that is the dementia, particularly Alzheimer's dementia. Memory impairment plus executive functioning down. That's why memory impairment plus abnormal psychological and behavioral problems. This Alzheimer's issue, issue of money. But every 3 seconds, Alzheimer's die. 5 to 6% 60 years of age, it's beginning to 5 to 6% Alzheimer's die. Sahi mga handle Ani here by the time 85 years almost 30% of the individual were Alzheimer's die. At I couldn't see a longevity of Hekali saying something severe. Harawe, Atu Harabuda, Alzheimer's may answer Laxalagadi. That is another very, very complicated issue. Every year again, every year, 21st September. 21st September, is observed as a World Alzheimer's Day, so that we can spread about this disease and what to do and what not to do for the individual and for the caregivers. And every year observe World Schizophrenia Day. So may ito na aside mental health issue ma family da layo na tanda individual masamaksu family masamaksu magi career da magi productivity pasada bagi lambi da loy na makakayo pirat pa matang sanga layan bagi pasaya natingat pa daga layo rehabilitation daga to bigada ba layo bagi awaba social inclusion ka yawan kada bagi stigma and discrimination na pirat pa check Kuna ba tuna mental health issues ng policy level stigma discrimination kaya amse ay koy mayama law bida na to bidra gadi sautit pang gamoy maram sina ay koy psychiatric ki maramda mental health ki maramda magdam kudi mata mafam kudi mata amaga top taw na wari sana ba disclose taw na mayam se na gadi asupasum confine taw na yang reservative ko ito wala na dala gadi ngasi magsu ay koy mental health ki maramda lahat na improvement si puro pang amoy darina ay koy miya mental health maramda kami na se aduga basi maramda chumba khamba thuna treatment tawa ko pa mayam se dominasi haidana ngasi